So I'm going to cover some of the skills, some of the tasks that you may not have achieved full marks on in your mock. So we're starting with the database task. We are asked to create a form for the destinations table. So I've got my database opened up here. I'm going to double click on that table just to make sure it's got the right information. It does. Really happy with that. I'm going to go to create form, and it does all the hard work for you. Now I'm going to make sure I go here into view and change it into design view because I need to make some formatting changes. Now the first thing here, it says it must match the house style. You can see there are 3 main bullet points here. It's worth 3 marks. So each of these bullet points must be achieved in order to get the marks. Obviously the form has to be created or you don't get the marks. So match the house style. The house style, they're not going to keep telling you all the time, so you must go back to the beginning of the paper. The house style here is mentioned. Bold and italic for all the headings, and the logo must be in the top left-hand corner. So we're going to make sure that we've got that done. So I'm going to go back. I'll click on my title here, okay, italic and bold, and I need to add in a logo. So I don't have a logo. I didn't make a logo because I'm not showing you how to do the image editing task, but if I go into design here, I can add in a logo and I can find an image from my folder. I'll get one actually from my downloads. There we go. And it adds it in there. Perfect. The next thing, so I've done the house style. It says to include a suitable title. So it's for adding more holidays to the destination. Okay, so we're going to add in the title. So suitable title. So let's go in there. We can double click. We can change that text. Actually, destinations form, and you might actually want to go in and change it to new destinations form. So that's done, and then it says to be customized so that all the fields have size 14 font and they're all center aligned. So these are all of them. So I'm just holding down the control key so I can highlight all of them at the same time. And then I've just clicked on the format menu here, and they need to be center aligned. So we've just clicked on this tool, and they need to be size 14, font size 14. So just clicking on here, and there we go, 14. So I can't see all of that here, so I just need to make sure that I can adjust this so that they can be seen. There we go. That still can't be seen, so I'm just gonna make sure that it can be. So just got to hover to allow you to change the size of it all. It's tricky, just all about getting that cursor in the right spot. And then I'll just move that one across. So you can play around with that so that you can see it, because you won't end up getting the marks if you can't see all of the information there. So you can play around, and that's how you complete that task.